In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set training schedule Trainerize. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place workouts on a client's calendar, choose the right source for those workouts, and automate the schedule so it runs smoothly. Start by logging into Trainerize and opening the client section on the left menu. Find and select the client you want to schedule. Make sure you're on the correct profile before moving on, especially if you work with multiple clients. Once you're in that client's profile, open the calendar at the top. The calendar is your command center for everything they'll see in their app. Switch between day and week views to make planning easier. Week view is great for mapping balance and recovery across several days at once. Next, choose where you want the plan to begin. Navigate to the week or day you'd like to start scheduling. When you're ready to add something, click directly on the date you want. Hit the plus add button, and you'll see options for what you can place on that day. You can add a workout, a program workout, a run workout, a cardio activity, a habit, or a body stat reminder. Pick the item type that matches your intention. For instance, use habits for daily behaviors like hydration, and body stat reminder to prompt check-ins. When you choose a workout, you'll be asked where to pull it from. You can select from master programs for standardized content, the client's assigned program if they're already in a plan, or custom workouts for something you've built specifically for them. This choice helps you keep programming consistent while still allowing for personalization when needed. Now set the frequency. If this is a one-off, choose single day and it will only place the item once. If you want it to repeat, select repeating and choose the pattern that fits. Daily, weekly, specific weekdays like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or custom intervals. This is where you can automate an entire block of training and reduce manual work. Optionally, adjust the time of day. This sets when your client will get notified, and it helps them see the plan in the order you intend. Choose times that align with their routine so reminders feel helpful, not disruptive. Finally, save your work by clicking Add to Calendar. Give the calendar a quick scan to confirm everything landed on the right days and at the right times. That's it. Your client's training schedule is set and ready to go.